This is 100 watts and a wire.
Question: what types of antennas are best for beginners? Great question, by the way.
The dipole. Let me back up. So when you talk about beginners, if it's going to be on 2 meters, and if you want to build your own, a good starting antenna that a lot of new people will build is the J-pole, the copper J-pole. There's lots of instructions out there, relatively simple. And if you have some issues on how to sweat copper pipe, there's club members that can help you. For HF, it probably the simplest and best antenna to get you on the air and be successful is just your standard dipole. It is the reference antenna, and it works fantastic, whatever band you're on, and that's a good one. But just keep it simple. Just the simplest antennas will get you going, and then as you gain more experience, then you can start going to different style antennas and go from there.
For many, many years, we've been talking 2015, ever since we started. This is season number 9. It's hard to beat a dipole. It really is hard. You can, of course. I mean, there's other things, but when you're just starting out a dipole, nothing wrong with that.
Don't you know any other goddamn tune?
All right. Thank you, Chris. Thank you for that. For complete episodes, subscribe where you get podcasts and click the bell here on YouTube for features and live streams.